It includes about 90,000 species. It is the largest group of animals. About two-thirds of all named species on Earth are arthropods. The arthropods evolved about 600 million years ago. Have jointed appendages which are used for locomotion, feeding or sensory purposes. Bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic and metamerically segmented animals have an organ system level of organization. Body is covered by a jointed hard exoskeleton composed of chitin which is secreted by the underlying epidermis and is shed at intervals. Body is often divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Head and thorax may be united to form cephalothorax. True coelom is reduced. Most of the body cavity is filled with blood and is called hemocoel. यह एनिमल किंगडम का लार्जेस्ट फाइलम है, जिसमें इंसेक्ट्स आते हैं. इनमें ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ बॉडी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होता है. ये बायलैटरली सिमेट्रिकल, ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक, सेगमेंटेड तथा कोअलोमेट एनिमल्स होते हैं. आर्थ्रोपॉड्स की बॉडी चिटिनस एक्सोस्केलेटन से ढकी होती है. बॉडी के 3 भाग होते हैं, हेड, थोरैक्स और एब्डोमेन. इनमें जॉइंटेड अपेंडेजेस होते हैं. Digestive system is complete with mouth parts modified and adapted for different methods of feeding. Circulatory system is of open type. Heart. A series of hearts are present on the dorsal side. Respiratory system is by organs like gills, book lungs or bitracheal system. Muscles are striated except in the visceral organs. Excretion is by green glands or Malpighian tubules opening into the digestive system. Nephridia are absent. इनमें रेस्पिरेशन के लिए गिल्स, बुक लंग्स और ट्रकियल सिस्टम होते हैं. इनमें सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम ओपन टाइप का होता है. इनमें सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स के रूप में एंटेनी, आइज कॉम्पाउंड और सिंपल स्टेटसिस्ट सबबालर ऑर्गन्स उपस्थित होते हैं. एक्सक्रीशन मालपिघियन ट्यूब्यूल्स द्वारा होता है. Our ventral nervous system is present below the digestive system. Sensory organs are well developed. The sexes are separate, that is, dioecious. The aquatic forms have external fertilization while the land forms have internal fertilization. Most arthropods are oviparous, lay eggs. Some can be viviparous, eggs hatch within the female and young ones are born. The development may be direct or indirect. Direct is from egg to young ones directly. ये मोस्टली डाइशियस होते हैं. इनमें फर्टिलाइजेशन इंटरनल होता है. यह मोस्टली ओविपरस होते हैं. इनमें डेवलपमेंट डायरेक्ट या इनडायरेक्ट होता है. There are 4 important classes of phylum Arthropoda. Crustacea have more than 5 pairs of legs and 1 pair of stalked compound eyes. Examples: crab, prawn. Myriapoda have elongated worm-like body with 10 to 100 pairs of legs. Examples: centipede, millipede. Insecta have only 3 pairs of legs and 1 pair of compound eyes. Examples: cockroach, honeybee, butterfly. Arachnida have only 4 pairs of legs. Head is without antennae and have specialized parts for feeding. Examples: spider, scorpion, ticks, mites. Crustacea body is divided into 2 parts, cephalothorax and abdomen. Have 5 or more pairs of legs. Respiration by gills. Head with 2 pairs of antennae. 1 pair of stalked compound eyes. Have 3 pairs of mouth parts. Example: crab, cancer, prawn, polemon. Myriapoda body is divided into head and numerous segments. Have 10 to 100 pairs of legs. Respiration by trachea. Head with 1 pair of antennae. Eyes may be simple, compound or absent. Have 1 pair of mouth parts, e.g. centipede, Scolopendra, millipede, Julius. Insecta body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, abdomen. Have only 3 pairs of legs. Respiration by trachea. Head with 1 pair of antennae. 1 pair of compound eyes. Have specialized mouth parts, e.g. Cockroach Periplanta honeybees apus. Arachnida. Body is divided into two parts, cephalothorax and abdomen. Have only 4 pairs of legs. Respiration by gills, book lungs or trachea. Head without antennae. Simple eyes. Have 2 pairs of appendages for feeding. Spider and scorpion are predators. Spider makes the web to catch the prey. Scorpion stings the prey. Ticks and mites are ectoparasites.